I've got a short video for you of the mods you should first get for your CRF110. While I do have the mods I'm going to talk about with you guys, I also have other mods that are just like, you know, for accents or whatever, you know, with the graphics and everything. But these are going to be mods that you should buy to protect your bike. The very first mod I would do would be this one right here. That is called the shift shaft brace. Let's see if you can see it a little better. But it's that blue part right behind the shifter. But what that will do is protect your shift shaft in case it gets bent, because these bikes are known for that. And it will save you a big headache and a lot of trouble if you just put that brace on there. And while you're at it, I would go ahead and just replace the shifter from the stock shifter, because doing that made shifting easier and it just felt a lot better when I was riding it. The next mod I would do is under the bike here. It's this red part right here. That's called the cradle. It's just 4 bolts. Very simple, maybe takes 5 minutes. What the cradle is going to do is give your case protection from foot peg bracket strain. If you're a heavier rider or an adult rider on like a 110, because you're using it as a pit bike, it's going to just save that. So it just gives it a little bit of added protection so that things don't break. One of the best mods I did was getting new bars. These bars are higher and a little wider than the stock bars, which makes it easier for like an adult rider to be able to ride a pit bike. For me, it made the bike easier to ride, maneuver, and just all around more comfortable. The bars I went with are the Pro Taper SE bars. The SE stands for 7/8, which is how thick they are. So they're going to hold up to maybe any spills or tumbles you might make. I have also upgraded my front springs to stiffer springs, which made the bike feel a lot better. I also upgraded the rear shock to a D&M shock, and taking that one out, taking the stock one off and putting that one on, that made a big difference with the front springs. The last thing that I would do if I had just got this bike is I would replace the stock pegs with some aftermarket pegs. These have little spikes in them for grip, but they're also a lot wider. I think the stock pegs are like maybe half of this width right here. Gives you more placement for your footing and also gives you a lot more grip. So it made a lot of difference when I'm riding. I just wanted to give everyone some examples of mods you can do to these that are going to make your riding experience a lot better if you're an adult riding one of these, or just anyone in general. Hopefully this video helps and gives you some ideas for your CRF110.